Hi there, this is Denise, and today we are going to make a beautiful paper basket using supplies you probably already have at home. You will need 14 strips of firm cardboard to create the basket framework and 5 longer strips of paper to weave the sides of the basket, as well as some strips of firm card to finish off. Lay 7 strips down on your work surface and secure on one side with some masking tape. Then firmly weave the other 7 strips in vertically. Fold the loose strips up to begin forming the sides of the basket. Use some wood glue and a bulldog clip to secure the beginning of the paper strip to one of the card side strips. Then weave your way in and out all the way round. Use wood glue at the end of each round to secure the end of the paper strip in position. Then repeat until you have 5 rounds completed altogether. Glue a strip of firm card around the top edge of the basket to neaten off. Then fold 7 centimeters under on both ends of the handle strip. Place these under the basket and secure with glue. Then secure the handle on both sides with a staple or paper clip. Now fill it with Easter treats. Use it as a gift basket or pop in a plant or bouquet. It's the perfect eco-friendly project with heart.